If you want to use NVIDIA GeForce Now on your Mac, here's the easiest way to install it step by step. First, open your browser and search for GeForce Now Download. Then, open the official NVIDIA website and click on the Download for Mac option. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the DMG file. A window will appear. Now simply drag the GeForce Now icon into your Applications folder to install it. After that, open your Applications folder and launch GeForce Now. If a security pop-up appears, click Allow and continue to open the app. Now sign in with your NVIDIA account or create a new one if you don't have it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once everything is ready, the app will open, and you can start playing your favorite games directly on your Mac. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best performance. And that's it. A quick and simple way to install and use GeForce Now on Mac without any issues. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.